Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to remove watermark from any image for free using AI tool. Please subscribe to my channel and don't miss any part of this video. Let's get started. Open any browser. Search this website. After search, open first website. You can see this interface. Scroll down, and you can see yellow button here. Just click on this button. You need to upload photo, which you want to remove watermark. Select photo and upload it. Finally, watermark are completely removed from image. You can try on new images. This AI tool is completely free. If you want to download image, just scroll down and click on download button and your image will start downloading. My image is ready. You can see results. Please subscribe to my channel. You will increase 5% knowledge from this channel. Thank you.